Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis and finally got the bounce today that'll make a little bit more sense to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've commented that, why do I keep doing, videos on this one? All it does is go down and down. I said, because, one of these ones can bounce, and when they can bounce pretty big, and today it definitely did make a good solid move. I mean, when you consider where it was at its lows on Monday, and now all of a sudden you look at kind of where it's sitting. Granted, there's no doubt about it, it pulled back a lot today. There's no doubt about that. However, also to be fair, from where the price is sitting at right there compared to where it was not that long ago, you also have to give credit and say, yeah, the price has made a good solid move. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement, or is this just some kind of one-day wonder, knee-jerk reaction type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this level right here at 51 cents. Why is 51 and a half cents? Why is 51 and a half important? Hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 51 and a half. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse said, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves like this, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as 51 and a half cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, all about the purple line right now, that 50-period moving average. The price temporarily did get up above it, but after falling back below it, you can see on several instances, try to get up above it again and couldn't quite do it. So keep an eye on that going forward. All in all, though, like I said, got to give credit where credit's due. The price made some progress today. Now it's just a question of, can they build upon the progress? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.